So today we have the trigonometrical ratios of different angles. For example, sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree and sin 90 degree and so on for sin, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. So you can see here sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. We are going to prove all these angles, but you have to remember first line for the table, sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. Remaining you can solve it, just see that. For cos you just write inverse of it, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Now we know tan theta is sin upon cos. Take numerator of sin and numerator of cos. 0 upon 1 is 0, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, numerator 1, here numerator 1 upon 1 is 1. Numerator root 3, denominator 1, root 3 upon 1, root 3. 1 upon 0, infinity. Again for part, you write from here, infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Now cosec theta is opposite of sin theta. Opposite of 0 is infinity. Opposite of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Opposite of 1 is 1. Again you write inverse of it. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and infinity. In the same manner, you can have all these values. From here if you want to know tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. How to solve the question? Just see that. Prove that cos of 30 degree minus sin of 30 degree is equals to cos 60 degree. Cos of 30 degree can be written as cos 30 whole square minus sin 30 whole square is equals to cos 60 degree. Now from table see cos 30 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square sin 30 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square cos 60 1 by 2. Okay, so root 3 ka square is 3, 2 ka square is 4, 1 ka square 1, 2 ka square 4 is equals to 1 by 2. LCM is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 proved. Now see, I have proved one trigonometrical ratios, 45 degree. How we can prove 45 degree? Similarly, we can prove 30 also, 0 also, 60 also, 90 also, which I am going to prove in next class. Just I have taken one so that you can start with exercise. C. Consider an isosceles right angle triangle ABC in which AB is equals to BC and angle B is 90 degree. So here, if these two sides are equal, then angle opposite to these two sides are also equal. That means angle A will be equals to angle C, and this is 90. That 45 plus 45 90 and 3 makes 180. So angle A and angle C is 45 degree each. In triangle ABC, we will apply first Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, and we have considered AB and BC as x. Let AB and BC as x. So x square plus x square, that is 2x square. So we got AC square is equals to 2x square. AC will be equals to under root of 2x square, that will be x. X square the root x, root 2 remains same. So here we got the value of hypotenuse AC as x root 2. So from here we get the trigonometrical ratios of 45 degree. Now sin 45 degree, this 45 degree, any one angle you can consider either C or either A. I have taken C. When we take this 45 degree angle C, so this becomes perpendicular, opposite of 90 is hypotenuse, remaining is base. So sin 45 degree will be perpendicular, that is AB upon hypotenuse AC, and AB is your x, AC is your x root 2. X cancel 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos 45 degree base, that is BC upon hypotenuse AC. BC is x and AC is x root 2. Again this cancels and we get 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degree is perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BC. X upon x, that is 1. Cot theta is again base upon perpendicular, x upon x, again 1. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, AC upon AB, that is x root 2 upon x. Again x cancel root 2. Similarly sec also. So this is the trigonometrical ratios of 45 degree, and how it is used we have seen in the problems, and this table I am going to prove each angle of trigonometrical ratios in other class. Now you can have few more examples so that you can start the exercise problems, and we will prove the trigonometrical ratios in next class. Okay, see another example. We have to solve this 5 sin square 30 degree plus cos square 45 degree minus 4 tan square 30 degree upon 2 sin 30 degree cos 30 degree plus tan 45 degree. Because this is square, I have simplified 5 sin 30 whole square plus cos 45 whole square plus 4 minus 4 tan 30 whole square upon same 2 sin 30 cos 30 plus tan 45 degree. Substitute the value. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, you can see from the table. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Sin 30 again 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So this becomes 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3 upon sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 cancels, root 3 by 2 plus 1. So if you take 4 to 3, LCM will be 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3, 3 5 is 15 plus 12 divided by 2 is 6, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 4 into 4 again. 15 plus 6 minus 16 upon 12 into, just take the LCM, this root 3 plus 2 by 2. And this, if you take to the numerator, fraction changes. This 2 will come in numerator, this will come in denominator. Again here you see 15 minus 16 is minus 1 plus 6 is 5 into 2 upon 12 into 2 plus root 3. 2, 6 are 12. So we get 5 by 6 upon 2 plus root 3. Now this 2 plus 3 is rationalized. We have rationalized this just by opposite sign. 2 plus root 3, that means 2 minus root 3, 2 minus 3. Multiply the fraction and divide the fraction by 2 minus 3. So that root sign will be taken out from the denominator. How it will be, just see 5, 2 minus root 3, a plus b, a minus b, a square means 2 square, b square, that is root 3 square, a square minus b square. So root 3 ka whole square. So 2 square is 4, root 3 ka square is 3, 4 minus 3 will be 1, 1 into 6 is 6, numerator is 5 into 2 minus root 3. So this is the answer. So here completes the example for trigonometrical angles, trigonometrical ratios for different angles. Few example questions I will give you and you have to solve the exercise problems.